How to do it. Let me show you how to do it.
Hi guys, so today we're unboxing this LED neon sign, and this particular one is like a game box controller. It is for 6+. So here's my kid and he wants to be in the video, and we're going to be unboxing this. So this is the USB powered switch. Let's see what else is on there. So this is what it looks like, and this is something you can pick up from Amazon. I'm going to leave the link in the description below so you guys can select it. So we're going to go ahead and unbox and see what comes in there. So buddy, you want to go ahead and unbox it?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, let's see what's in there.
Wow.
Oh, nice. Anything else that comes in there? Oh, so these are nice. They come with the wall mount thing. I guess just for hanging purpose. Anything else in the box?
Nope.
Nothing else? All right. So this is it. Let's see what's... All right, you want to pull the plastic? All right. So here it is. And oh, so it's made is I think it's like a silicone kind of material, like it's kind of like rubbery, soft. And this is the case that it's in. So let's go ahead and remove this plastic. I think this is the protective cover that comes with it, so it's not all scratched up and banged up, which is good. So all right, buddy, you ready to power this on? All right, so to power this on, what we did was we had an iPhone charger right there. So, you can use any USB charger or plug, whatever, and just plug it in. You can even use your television power supply. Like, there are a lot of televisions, they have a USB port in there, or we could have used a PS5 as well, but I don't want to plug anything in there because it drains power, so might as well just use a separate power source. And now we're going to turn it on, and this is a nice switch that comes with it, and pretty safe. Yeah. All right, so let's go ahead and power this on. Oh, nice. So this is colorful. So the outside ones are blue, and then you have the red and green and yellow, so it looks pretty cool.
Can I turn the lamp off?
Oh, you want to turn the lamp off? All right. There you go. Oh, wow. That was a good idea. It really gives your room a nice glow. All right, so I think the way you want it is, you don't want it straight, right? You said you want it diagonal like this.
Yeah, like this.
All right, so we're gonna mount this like this, and then we'll show you guys how it looks. So for that, all I'm using is these thin nails, and we'll just put it in wherever you want it and put it in the wall and just hang it. So we'll show you once we're done. So overall, I think it's a great product. The quality is very nice. The glow is very even and nice. And, I think overall, I will definitely give it a thumbs up. So if you guys do want to buy it, check out the link in the description below. Get it from Amazon. All right, so that's pretty much it. So hopefully you guys like the video. If you like it, guys, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you.